Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Ni o say onu onim no. And as our position no kro onu wo bi a opese ode man. And he will not allow the guy to come work there. Sapeni who so jeni no. Uti wona boys ni nam nwura mu no mo campaign na sa so jeni no ten. Sa so jeni no kro so di sika ne be boa mo kro na sa sika no ye de gukurugu bottom na si wa sika no be dua kokoye campaign na. And these boys go there, and this CEOs, I don't know, a bimo was yeah, mamunya juma. And Your Excellency, the President, need to put your feet on the ground. These are young guys who omune bri omumo jeni koye jumano. One show mu year. In the next election, you will lose the election because you will not get these guys going back to work for you. Because no go for professors be, no go for soldier for be. Now the Omaba CEOs, and when you take people there, the same letter would the employer mono. When you give the letter to a different person to go and occupy a different position, these so-called guys sit there and they tell you that we don't know them, and so we will not allow them to work. No, be about say, I am the CEO. Me buy mommy we papa we into in my own revolution. I made the person the deputy CEO. Who do you have the power to make somebody a deputy CEO? Do you have the power? Nipa yaba okita letter. Me ba be corporate affairs director. Or say that be me pene. Me wo me nipa me de neba. Oh, now and I think you see obi go cast the same way once radio so. And a bear hey and I call them. The truth is that it is happening, and because the person is an NDC person, no be a friend say a party and you don't criticize the government if you are part of the government. Who tell you that? Criticize your own government if they are doing something wrong. Criticize them. Let the government understand that they are papa. Allow the members of the NDC to criticize their own party. Japan was criticizing their own MPP. What are you talking about? It is Ghana first, no political party first. Now see you was obi or minimum be and and I can give you evidence to that fact. Say one only I didn't bet now quickly we go find the girlfriend about betra house or baba any PR. Sure. Sa girlfriend boys in namu wura na mo campaign anadumu our work cabinet bi nya accident na there. Send us our girlfriend nothing. Ogo office now go to mami no oya udie yinti na we wadwin say who person we elevating to that position. In any case, who person we elevating. The president also written a letter about the catch say in fact the American we elevating and the president written a letter ni buy no na afi abonu pusa. Ohun dia onye. Let's be careful in this country. And the NDC as a political party should be very careful. Me de madika catch them. E jebe baby a yebeka hu nsem wa. Jebe ban yebeka hu nsem wa. And hwe ye nyina yete ha, and the report will continue to come. And I dare each and every CEO, MD, and a director of your institution. Nyankopon ya adumwa next week. Ansisa yebebodin. Ansisa yebebodin. Me say ansisa yebebodin because boys dey omako various institutions no. Omuni ya na kasa wu. Omo frɛ ya ka kire. Yeni omo ye titi radio isu titi TV so in opposition yeni omo adi nkomo, they were on our shows and so we know them. And your boy that go bet me for phone and frame that in the way ne koso. And I believe her. Oko ye no ye juma papa woman kwan no ye na juma se ne ye o se te no ye juma on complain. Harrison Abba oba ye na bibia ada na akwa mu ni ade a on complain. Even a former member of parliament, a director of operations, Nadmo. Now also we are so genuine. How dare you? And you not allow him to work? Now who you whine? Sika say na odi wura campaign. Sika say na odi wura. Sika say na odi wura campaign. And it's ye nyama. Na eba ni say ya. Na nkofo hu put cha no obian to me hu nyansa bia nka nche papa nse sebi ye wo ye no sebi nyansa bia ni obian to me nka nche no eba na nkofo hu put cha ay. But this is also a warning to the young people in the NDC. Say ye de mo be pre to me agi to me na so ye de mo buma enye ye. It is a clear indication. It's a clear indication, say, more young people in the NDC. Yet the more by ye juma ajitumi, nanso young famu emumai. And to whoop a party, then you have to switch to a different area. Because yes, ye petu media be frem, mumna ni engoji to me. But ye jitu mini we are. Ye famu mumai, ye go ye the mubuma ye. Automatically, that is what they are communicating to you. And as quick as possible, or someone can say, and the president, as we speak, must act. As some way, a buy answer now, move for KPI. No, at first, you could have told them that look, I've given you the position. Yes. But I can also appoint somebody to come and work under you. And when that person comes with the letter, keep quiet. Admit the people. They are my people. Position, or they deserve those positions. They are equipped. And me say, and they bring a deputy CEO who is versed in that field. Now the person say, "What casa did inti?" No, you be very careful. Me see, Nyankopon ya adom na next week and sisan ye ba ye be body because we are also doing our investigations. Yeah, investigations. E ba ye be body amagana obia be hunu de wo ye ewo ho. De wo ye ho no obia be hunu.